Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do Baby Gingy backbling for Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing the brim of his head with a long oval shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the lower point of that oval shape like that. And inside of that oval shape, I'm going to draw a curved line across, similar to the side of the oval shape right there. And above on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards, slightly to the right. And on the right side of that, above the brim, curved line upwards, arch curved line to the right, turn it downwards on the right corner, sharp turn with a curved line to the left, semi-turn downwards with a curved line at that corner. Inside of that shape, I'm going to trace the outline on the right side like that, and on the left side of that, at the upper point, I'm going to draw a similar curved line right there, sharp turn upwards. Mirror the same set of line on the left side. And below that, above the brim, I'm going to draw a rectangular shape at that middle point. From the right side of the head, above the brim, diagonal curved line up to the left right there. Now for his face shape, below the brim on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, turn it slightly inwards to the right, semicircle turn across with a curved line to the right, semicircle turn back upwards on the right side of his head, curved line up, flare it slightly out and turn it upwards. Inside of that shape on the right corner, I'm going to draw a similar curved line right there, semicircle turn at the lower point to the left. Now for his face, I'm going to draw his eye with an oval shape on the left corner right here, and another similar oval shape for the right eye at that point. Below the eye in the middle point, I'm going to draw his mouth with an oval shape across at that corner, and another smaller oval shape inside of that. Below the head, I'm going to draw his neck with a line downwards on the right corner. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw an oval shape for the middle point of his bow tie. And on the right side of that bow tie, at the upper corner, diagonal curved line out to the right and up, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn inwards diagonally to the left. Inside of that shape, on the right side of the oval shape in the middle, a short line across right there. Mirror the whole thing on the left side of the bow tie. Above the bow tie, a short line up for the left side of his neck. On the right side of the bow tie, I'm going to draw his sash with diagonal curved line up to the right, sideways to the right, turn it downwards, sideways to the left, diagonal curved line across to the left and downwards, sharp turn upwards at that corner, diagonal curved line across to the right and upwards. Inside of his sash, I'm going to draw some lines downwards all the way to the right. On the left side of the sash, I'm going to draw a line upwards to the side of his bow tie, arch curved line out to the left, turn it downwards with a curved line. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw curved lines across right there. And below his sash, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the right there. Turn it downwards on both ending points. And on the right side, I'm going to extend it upwards to the side of his shoulder right there. Curved line diagonally out to the right, turn it downwards, and below that I'm going to draw diagonal curved line downwards to the right and to his glove. For the inner line of that arm, diagonal line downwards to the right, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards to his glove. Inside of the arm, I'm gonna draw below the elbow point a curved line across that corner, and below that from the left point a wavy line across to the right like that, and slightly below that another wavy line at that corner. Now for the top of his glove, I'm going to draw a curved line across above his wrist right there. Semi-skirt turn downwards on the right corner. Semi-skirt turn back upwards on the left side right there. And at that corner, I'm going to draw his thumb with diagonal curved line across to the left and downwards. Semi-skirt turn up and turn it diagonally to the right. Semi-skirt turn upwards to the inner corner of his wrist. Now below his shirt, I'm going to draw his belt with a rectangular shape across right there. And below that rectangular shape, I'm going to draw his pants from the right side, curved line downwards. Semi-skirt turn to the left. Semi-skirt turn back upwards in the middle point of his pants right there. Curved line across above that ending point for the middle of his legs. And inside of his pants, from the inner corner, I'm going to draw a wavy line across at that point to the right. Repeat that same wavy line again across at this lower point. I'm going to copy the same shape of the pants on the left side right here. Below the pants on the right corner, a short curved line on both the inner corner and at the outer corner. Below that, curved line across in the middle point. Semi-skirt turn downwards on both sides, curved line downwards and inwards to his ankle point. Curved line across in the middle. Below that lower leg pad, curved line downwards at the side, flare it slightly out, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right corner right here. Curved line across in the middle point right there. Below that, a short line downwards on both sides. Curved line across for the base of the shoe. Inside of the shoe, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line at that corner and another arch curved line above that. A line downwards on both ending points at the side. Repeat that same set of shape again at this upper point. And for his left leg, a line downwards on both sides. Below the pants, curved line across. Below that, turn it downwards on both sides and inwards to his ankle point. Curved line across above his ankle point, and inside of that shape, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line across and another similar line across at this upper corner. Below that, from the left, diagonal line across to the right and downwards, and another similar line below that. For his left shoe, on the left corner, diagonal curved line out to the left, semi-skirt turn downwards. On the right corner, curved line downwards, curved line across from the right all the way to the left. Above that line, I'm going to draw another similar curved line across. Inside of his shoe, I'm going to draw on the left corner an arch curved line across and another similar arch curved line above that on the right. A line diagonally down to the left. Repeat that same set of shape again at this upper point. Now for his left arm, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally down from his left sleeve. Diagonal line downwards to his glove to the left. Curved line across to the right. Turn it back diagonally up to the right for the inner line of the arm. slightly above his wrist, I'm gonna draw a line across right there, and above that another one, and another one slightly above that. Above that, I'm gonna draw a wavy line across from the left corner to the right, and another similar wavy line across at this upper corner. On his elbow point above that, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at that corner. Now for his left hand, on the left corner, curved line diagonally out to the left and downwards, semicircle turn back inwards, and below that, curved line downwards, semicircle turn to the right, turn it upwards at the inner corner of his wrist. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!